You know, we've all contemplated it probably at one point in time or another, and jacks are great for jacking a vehicle up and putting safety stands under it. Once in a while, some of us might have attempted to move a vehicle, and that's just not a good idea. They're not designed for moving vehicles. Bad things can happen, and hopefully you never have anything bad happen to you. So as we take a look really quick on this vehicle, we've got a nice dolly underneath of there that'll take and grab onto the pinch weld clamps or the pinch weld flanges of the vehicle, and gives us a really stable platform to move the vehicle. Those work out really well if you've got a vehicle that's disabled, and we end up with quite a few of them during some of the different project work we're doing here. The other two we have on the floor here are for whenever you're bringing a vehicle up onto a frame machine. If it's got a wheel or some suspension missing or something messed up, you can get these underneath of there. And they're really only meant, though, for rolling straight up on the frame machine. They're not going to let you really cast her around. Man, Go Jacks are a wonderful tool. Wonderful piece of equipment if you've got suspension, wheel, something like that in there that you can actually position the Go Jack on. But that doesn't work out so well in the case of a vehicle missing everything out of the front of it like we have here. And the other day we got in a bit of a bind, and we didn't have another dolly like we've got underneath of the Toyota behind us here. And one of the guys got kind of creative, and I thought, you know what? We're not going very far, we're not going fast, we're not going to run over any of the drain grates or anything like that in the shop. You know, probably not the typical use for this, but it worked just fine for us in the pinch that we were in. So again, be careful out there as you're moving vehicles around. Don't want anybody getting hurt, don't want the vehicles getting hurt, but sometimes you got to get a little creative. So I hope this helps you out.